In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find an exact phrase in Confluence search. Start by opening Confluence, and once you're on your homepage, move straight to the search bar at the top. That search bar is your command center. Clicking into it activates Confluence's search panel and gets you ready to narrow down the content you need without digging through spaces or pages manually. Now type the phrase you want to find. Think about the words that are most distinctive to what you're after. Things like a document title, a key term from a meeting note, or a specific process name. If your phrase has multiple words and you want Confluence to match those words together in that exact order, put double quotes around it. For example, typing project kickoff agenda with no quotes may return anything that mentions those words in any order, scattered across a page. Typing project kickoff agenda in double quotes tells Confluence to look for that precise phrase exactly as written. This is the quickest way to cut through noisy results. Press enter to run the search. Confluence will return a list of results that match your phrase with snippets to help you preview the context. Don't stop at the first page you see. Scanning the snippets can save time by confirming whether the phrase appears in the right section or document type before you click. Next, refine the results using filters. Filters are essential when your organization has a lot of content. You can limit results by space to look only within a specific team or project area. You can filter by author if you know who created or last updated the content. Narrow by date to find recent updates or to focus on historical versions. And select a content type, like pages, blog posts, or attachments, so you're only seeing the format you need. Each filter you apply reduces clutter and increases precision. When you spot a result that clearly matches your quoted phrase, open it. Once the page loads, use your browser's Find feature to jump right to the phrase on the page if needed. This makes verification quick and helps you confirm you've reached the exact content you were searching for. If Confluence doesn't return the exact result you expect, adjust your search terms. Try shortening the phrase to its most unique core, remove punctuation, or swap in a common synonym. Keep the double quotes when you need an exact match and remove them when you want to broaden the search. Small tweaks often surface the right page immediately. And that's it. Precise, repeatable, and fast.